request Sri W.G. Prasanna Kumar Garu, Director of National Green Corps of Andhra Pradesh, very well known to us all. We welcome him with a good clap. We request him to give us valuable words.
Thank you very much, Madam. The officer who is in charge of maximum number of school children in the region in the state, Sri Lakshmana Reddy Garu, and the officer in charge of highest density of students in the state, our DO Garu, and the Deputy Education Officers on the dais, Secunderabad Public School Management, the officers, my friend Prabhakar, brilliant teachers, and most importantly, most brilliant students. Very good evening. Science is actually throwing a lot of challenges on us. These challenges are very difficult challenges. Earlier we used to think that knowledge is to be shared. Now we are in a position where we are saying knowledge is to be cared, and knowledge is to be also safeguarded. Knowledge cannot be given like that. Knowledge has to be even prized. Knowledge has to be bounded. So what we are saying is it is not available freely to everybody. Science and scientific research which is done in a particular country, if you produce some product, or if you produce a particular gene, or you are making some changes in a particular gene, or you are trying some new plant, new animal, new bird, then you cannot just like that reveal it or give it. You need to be careful about it. You need to do research again and again and again and again till you are 100% confirmed. So what earlier we used to give away like that as knowledge, now we are saying you need to care it. You need to be careful about it. Don't give it like that, because we don't know whether it is right or wrong, whether it is good or bad. Till you are confirmed that it doesn't do any harm to the society and it is going to do good only to the society, don't leave it. Don't give it into the public domain. Recently we had this COP11 conference in Hyderabad on the biodiversity. One of the most important aspects was that don't give it like that, because it is not, we are not sure whether it is safe or not. That is one. You have discovered something which is safe and brilliant and great and useful. Keep it as the treasure of this country. Don't give it like that. Nobody in the world is giving like that. Sometime back they took away some bulls from India to Brazil. And today Brazil is selling beef to the world. And Brazil market is full of beef from the cows, the Ongol bulls, right? So what we are saying is that it is not available like that. Don't make it available like that. If it is available like that, then you will not get the benefit. Keep it, retain it, and release it when it is required. And when you are sure, and also have a price for that. That is one thing which we are learning today in science. So today science is not open to public. It is closed. Today science is not confirmative. It is only a little bit informative. The confirmation you can get only after 20 years, 30 years, 40 years of research. So you budding young scientists, you need to be really careful doing science. That is why Government of India is spending so much of money and giving so much of interest on you, or putting a lot of interest in you, and really taking care of you so that you get inspired with a project called Inspire and do research in science and technology. Earlier we used to think that technology is anyway good. This is new technology, take it. Now we are saying this technology if used, maybe you will have some problem. Cell phones, maybe sparrows will have problem. Maybe when sparrows have problem, the insects and the pests will increase. Then they have a problem. So lot of issues are there. Lot of effects are there. So science and technology are not just like that good for people. They can be dangerous to humans also. So our pesticide, we thought that was a great discovery, it's a great support for humans. But we realized that pesticide is dangerous. even to the big birds. What are the big birds? Ostrich. What are the other big birds? Eagles and vultures. So vultures are getting killed with small pesticide that we are using. Pesticide is for small pests, but what is getting killed? The big vulture. Because the vulture is a scavenger, you know. It takes care of all the carcasses which are left in the forest also. This is not the time to give you a big lecture, but this is only to give you a hint that science and technology are not always good. Science and technology have to establish that they are good. That happens over years of research. 30 years, 40 years, 50 years of research. Only then we come to know that, okay, science is, this is final, this is good. Earlier we had this Kesari dal, the orange color lintel. That dal, now we are saying that it is dangerous because it leads to lethargy. So, anything can be dangerous. And only when you are confirmed with a lot of research, get into using it. That is the message of science. That was the message of the biodiversity conference that we've had recently. So don't take exotic plants, don't take crotons, don't take the flowers and fruits from elsewhere in the world. Eat the local flowers, eat the local fruits, bring the local flowers. When you are giving a bouquet, first know the flower name. If you do not know the flower name, don't use the bouquet. If you do not know where the fruit is coming, if the fruit is not coming from your place, don't eat it. If you are eating a vegetable which is not from your place, then you are adding to the carbon footprint, number one. And then you are creating damage to your own body. Because that vegetable which doesn't grow here is not good for you. That is what is the latest science. Exotic food, exotic vegetable, exotic fruits, anything exotic is dangerous. So get into the indigenous food eating habits, fruit eating habits. Difficult है, लेकिन सीताफल अच्छा है. सीताफल खाओ. This is the time of सीताफल. Okay? Because there are a lot of black seeds and you really have to spit every minute. No, I don't want to eat सीताफल, but I want to eat some other exotic food, some other exotic fruit. Pizza, burger खाओ, then you'll have problems. Right? So get into सीताफल eating. Let's have a lot of सीताफल which will actually protect our health and also the planet's health. Thank you so much for giving that patient listening.